Behind me we have the 62 Corvette convertible that we're working on. As you can see, everything's all sanded. You see the little drip marks on it. That's because we wet sand everything before we paint it. Before we actually paint the car, we make sure that everything lines up. We also put the window in, make sure it goes up and down good before we paint it, because we don't have any problems after we paint it. So you come around the front end, you can see everything's all sanded all the way down. So we pretty much went around the whole exterior of the car. The jams have already been painted. The panels are put back on it. Now we're gonna get this thing ready over in the spray booth. Pull some tires off of it, mask everything all off on the inside underneath so there's no overspray that gets all over anything. And then we're gonna start applying the base coat on it. And then after the base coat, we're gonna go ahead and clear it. And then we'll take it out of the booth, we'll sand it and rub it and buff it. This customer, we're going to be debuting there at 2018 Detroit Autorama.